Hello people of YouTube. Today I'm gonna unbox DJI's latest drone, DJI Mini 2. It's an ultralight and foldable, which is less than 249 grams mini aircraft. In the box, it writes that this small drone has a maximum flight time of 31 minutes with one battery. Also, DJI upgraded the video transmission system to Ocusync 2.0. Wind resistance of this drone is now level 5. It has a 3-axis gimbal camera which is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 2.7K at 30 frames per second, and a standard high definition resolution of 180p at 60 frames per second. Now let's take a look at what's inside this black bag. This small and compact black shoulder bag comes with the Fly More combo kit of this drone. Now I managed to open this bag and I'm showing you what's coming inside. It has the drone body, the remote controller and the cable box. This is the remote controller. This box has the several different cables for the connection, and the drone itself. This time the drone comes with a securing wrap. There are also 3 pieces of spare propeller parts, 1 mini screwdriver for you to mount those propellers to the aircraft body, and 1 pair of joystick parts for the radio controller. The bag feels light and nice, made of good materials. It has enough sections for you to carry your aircraft controller and battery charger at the same time. Made of good materials. No need to buy a bag for your drone if you buy this Fly More combo. I think this has the flight manuals or other documentation about this drone. This black box has the charging dock, which is capable of charging 3 batteries at a time. Also can be used as a charger for other devices. Those are the new batteries. One of it is inside the aircraft body. This is the charger plug and several connection cables for USB standards and Apple devices. Now let's take a look at the controller. This is the same controller as Mavic Air 2, which is upgraded from Mavic Mini 1. Those are the joystick heads you screwed to the balls you see here. Now this is the aircraft. This wrap secures the propellers. Now I'm peeling those stickers off. This is the battery compartment Now I'm opening the upper arms to the sides of the aircraft and pulling down the rear propeller arms, and I'm taking the battery off to show you. This is the new battery. You can't use mini ones batteries with this drone. Now I'm folding its arms back. Don't forget to take your gimbal protector before flying. Also, don't forget to download the latest firmware of this drone. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. In the following days, I'm hoping to shoot the 4K sample videos of this drone. So, see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.